This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee without milk. First, select high-quality coffee beans as they are the star of your brew. Consider a medium roast for a balanced flavor profile. Grind your beans just before brewing for maximum freshness and aroma. This simple step significantly elevates your coffee experience, ensuring a rich and satisfying cup every time. We'll explore several brewing techniques to achieve your perfect black coffee. Let's dive into popular brewing methods for exceptional black coffee. The French press steeps grounds for 4 minutes, yielding a robust, full-bodied cup. For a cleaner taste, try pour-over, which takes about 3 to 4 minutes, emphasizing delicate notes. The AeroPress, a versatile tool, brews in about 1 minute, producing a smooth, concentrated shot. Each method offers a unique experience, allowing you to tailor your coffee to your preference. To elevate your black coffee, consider natural flavor enhancements. A tiny pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, can add a comforting warmth. For a subtle sweetness, a few drops of pure vanilla extract work wonders. You might also try a small strip of orange or lemon zest, which brightens the coffee's profile with a refreshing aroma. These additions complement the coffee's natural flavors beautifully. The foundation of great black coffee is the bean itself. Always choose freshly roasted, whole beans and grind them just before brewing. Light roasts, often roasted for 8 to 10 minutes, highlight bright, fruity, and floral notes. Medium roasts, roasted for 10 to 12 minutes, offer a balanced profile. Dark roasts, roasted for 12 to 14 minutes, deliver bold, smoky, and chocolatey flavors. Experiment to find your perfect match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.